Today, government sources said that more than 133 crore rupees in taxpayer money has been lost because of parliament disruptions in the monsoon session, as the deadlock between PM Modi's administration and the opposition over the Pegasus snooping scandal showed no signs of a thaw. Since Parliament convened on July 19th, the opposition has been demanding a discussion and an independent inquiry led by a Supreme Court judge serving or retired into reports that Pegasus, sold only to governments, was used to hack phones of opposition leaders, judges, activists, and even ministers. Today, the Indian government has said that 10 states are seeing an upsurge in COVID cases or rise in positivity rate, stressing the need of strict restrictions in districts witnessing a positivity rate of more than 10%. Apart from focusing on strict containment measures, states were also told today to ramp up vaccination in the 60 plus and 45 to 60 age categories, as evidence shows near 80% of the mortality is from the vulnerable age group. The centre's fresh review comes amid concern over a third COVID wave. The Union Health Ministry said in a statement that Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Assam, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Manipur are the states that are either witnessing a surge in new COVID cases or a rise in the positivity rate. Today, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that 1 crore vaccine doses have been given in Delhi ever since the inoculation drive began to cover nearly 50% of the national capital's adult population. He said that while 76 lakh people have got at least one dose, 26 lakh people in the city are fully vaccinated against coronavirus. Kejriwal congratulated healthcare workers for the feat. Today, in an effort to encourage and honour the tireless and unparalleled contribution of journalists, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath provided financial aid to the families of journalists who had lost their lives due to the coronavirus pandemic. The Chief Minister was also accompanied by India TV Editor-in-Chief and Chairman Rajat Sharma. The families of scribes were offered a cheque of 10 lakh rupees each.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.